Hi, I'm Ken. Welcome to Heavy Duty Lighting's Product Spotlight. Today we're going to talk about our new advanced temperature control system in work lights. And this particular set of work lights that we're going to talk about today are all in the flood pattern. The new ATCS from Heavy Duty Lighting employs our newly designed advanced temperature control system. This system takes advantage of superior cooling design to power and monitor all LEDs for maximum output by adjusting the output according to the environment. So ATCS is a smart thermal technology allowing LEDs to operate at a higher lumen output at startup with maximum driver current and then reduce the lumen output as temperatures rise without cause for hurting the LEDs. So we're going to talk about 4 models today. The first 2 models are going to be this series, the smaller series of lights here that I'm pointing at. These are the HD 36020F, which is a square model. And we're going to talk about the HD 38024F, which is the round model. Both lights have a robust die-cast aluminum housing, impact-resistant polycarbonate lens instead of an acrylic style or a cheaper plastic style lens. They both have sealed and conformally coated electronics to help protect against any kind of moisture that may ever get inside the light. They both have military-style metal breathers, and those metal breathers allow for the exiting of any kind of moisture inside the light once heat builds up and doesn't allow anything back into the light. They have stainless steel mounting brackets. They are both IP67 and 69K, as well as their voltage operating range of 10 volts to 32 volts, and their color temperature of the light output is 6200 Kelvin. So the 36020F, which is this square model right here, is 3.54 inches by 3.54 inches square, has 20 1.5 watt OSRAM LEDs, and has a operating range of output from 1950 to 2710 effective lumens. The HD 38024F, which is the round, is 3.54 inches round. It has 24 1.5 watt OSRAM LEDs and has an effective operating range of 2350 to 3270 effective lumen outputs. If you look at the front of the lights, you'll see that this one has 5 optic spots and this one has 6 optic spots. Behind each optic spot are 4 LEDs. So the next series of lights that we're going to talk about are square and round larger ones. The 44036F is the larger square and the 46036F is the larger round. All of these have common features of 36 1.5 watt OSRAM LEDs, robust die-cast aluminum housings, impact-resistant polycarbonate lenses instead of an acrylic or a cheaper type of plastic, sealed and conformally coated electronics, military-style metal breathers, again for allowing water to exit out of the product if it was in there, moisture, and not allowing anything back in. Stainless steel mounting brackets. They both have IP ratings of 67 and 69K. They have a voltage operating range from 10 to 32 volts, and their color temperature is at 6200 Kelvin. The 44036, which is the square unit, is 4.33 inches by 4.33 inches, and the 46036F is 4.57 inches round. So let's take a closer look at these lights.
In talking about our 36020F, that's the square version, and our 38024F, which is the round version, the significant difference in the 2 lights is simply the diode count. They both still use a high impact polycarbonate lens. Under each one of those optics are 4 1.5 watt OSRAM diodes. So the features both lights do share is a very robust die-cast aluminum housing, excellent cooling properties in the rear. Both lights, you'll notice on the rear, are going to have this round extrusion. This is the military style breather that Ken was talking about earlier. That allows moisture to exit the cavity of the light and won't allow any moisture back in. So one of the other benefits that we talked about with this light is real nice hardware. This is all stainless steel 304. Both lights are designed so that the bracket can be straight up and down or can be turned at a 90 degree. And then your bracket doesn't extrude into the mounting surface area.
All right, well, thank you for joining us here at Heavy Duty Lighting's Product Spotlight. Always go to our website, heavydutylighting.com, and you can click on the products link at the very top of the page. And when you do that, all of these current new products will load on that front page. Again, thank you for joining us at Heavy Duty Lighting. We appreciate it and have a great day.